5倍。
いいね。
渡したら間抜けて終わるな。もういい？
うん。
フラミンゴだけ取ってくる。
あ、そうそうそう。なんか、たくさんすぎて風情ないね。
気持ち悪いね。
一匹がただ住んでんでいいね。
わきまえてないこいつら。
うん。全然やれない。
いい。寒すぎてました。
Yeah, what is in this more?
So do you guys have flamingos your homes?
No, only in zoo.
Only in zoos. So but you have seen flamingos before?
Yeah.
So can you see the difference between these flamingos here?
It's short.
Some are red, some are pink.
Yeah, you can see some have more white and some have more pink. And some are small ones, some are big ones. But this one is not a male and female, this is the two different species of flamingo. The big ones they call the greater flamingo, and the small ones are the lesser flamingo. So, but both the species they live in the same area, and they eat different kind of food. So, but for flamingos having their food, they depend to eat only in the salty nets, whereby they can do filtration of the food they eat. Whereby the small one which have more pink, they normally take crabs, and the big ones they take only green algae. And where to get the green algae is a little bit in the deep areas, but the crabs normally they filtered in shallow areas. So that's why wherever the lakes they becoming deep, so these flamingos have to fly away from that area because there's no any food. You can see few of them is because like there's still something to eat around. But if the lake will keep on expanding and get more deep, it means all of these flamingos will fly away. Yeah, we'll try to find another